Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is healthy food and many more photo stock bundle, and total is 66 folder, that's mean bundle, and property is 2.99 GB, and the total file is 379 in 66 folder. Okay, and all files are fully high definition. So here is this file is 14 MB, 14.9 MB, and here is 9.17. you see here the resolution of file 7200 and 4800, and this file is 26.1 MB. Wow, you see the quality of image. Okay, and here is 13, 12, 9, 9, 9, 9, okay, 7. Wow, happy birthday. Here is 3.9 MB and fruit sloth. You see the quality of image. Wow, grapes and sons. You write any text here or make a poster. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop, Control S for new layer, and create a back. Obviously it is 13 and resolution convert to 2 in pixels 2000. Okay, and write anything, depend your own choice. You can use as a background, or you can make a poster like this. Enter and write anything. For example, Sheri, SK, R, right this, or you can write any details here about grapes or your fruit shop grapes, and anything, depend your own choice. Okay. Oh, cherry, here is cherry. Wow, cool beer bottles, fresh honey, amazing. You see the quality of image. Here is bananas. So I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.